Hey, do you want to learn how to change that email open style in Notion Mail? So when you click on a particular email, how it opens up. Should it open up from the side, from the center, or full screen? And if you want to learn how to do that, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. To change the email open style in Notion Mail, we're going to first go over to Notion Mail. And on the left hand side, we're going to scroll down. You're going to find settings. Inside here, you're going to find thread style in inbox in account settings. And in thread style, you can change from side peak to center peak and full page. So I'm going to show you all three what it does. So if I click on one of them, it's going to do a side peak like this. It's going to open up from the side. And if I go over to settings, change the thread style to center peak, it's going to appear in the middle like this. And next up, we got full page. So if I open up one of these emails, it's going to show up like this. And you can scroll between these emails by clicking on these arrows like that, and go back and such. To be honest with you, personally, I like the side peek. It's much better and much more productive. So I can click on this and it's going to show up on the side. If I do not want to scroll between these emails and I just want to click on one of these over here that is too far away, like this one, I can just click here and it's going to show up like that. So yeah, that's it. That's how to change how you open the email or change the thread style in Notion Mail. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more Notion Mail tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.